Hello everyone, my name is Shadwani and today's my topic is going to be Medi-Claim policy. It is going to include introduction to Medi-Claim policy and different types of Medi-Claim policy in brief. Moving on to introduction part. Mediclaim, often referred to as a Mediclaim insurance, is a form of health cover that mitigates your risk in monetary terms. It covers your hospitalization expenses along with any specific ailments and treatments that you incur during hospitalization. Health insurance provides risk coverage against expenditure caused by any unforeseen medical emergencies. In current times of high medical inflation rates, failing to hold adequate amount of health insurance cover can prove to be a major personal finance disaster. See, due to rapid population on growth and more use of altered food, water, etc., which leads to hospitalizations and it is very frequent. So, to cater the varying and increasing needs, different forms of covers are available. For this purpose, various types of policies are issued by the insurance corporation in order to meet the public at large amount. So, the medical policy is prepared due to these reasons. See, these are the different types of medical policy. First is individual Mediclaim policy, second is group Mediclaim policy, third is Jan Arogya Bima policy, fourth cancer policy, fifth Bhavishya Arogya policy, sixth overseas medical policy, and seventh one is Videsh Yatra Mitra policy. These types of policies are not issued by Life Insurance Corporation of India, but they are issued by some other subordinate insurance companies of the general insurance company. All these are government insurance companies. Still, then they are not reliable. Okay, now we are going to discuss individual Mediclaim policy. An individual Mediclaim policy is a policy which you may buy but to cover you, your spouse, children, and parents. This type of insurance policy covers your medical expenses for injury and illness, related hospitalization, surgery cost, room rent, daycare procedures, and more. Every member covered under the individual health insurance plan will have an individual sum insured. For example, if you take an individual health policy of 3 lakhs, sum insured covering your spouse, 2 kids and yourself, then each person covered will have an individual sum insured of rupees 3 lakhs, though it makes the premium comparatively higher. Individuals like you who fall in the age bracket of 18 years to 70 years can choose to buy this plan. The best part of buying an individual policy is that it offers individual sum insured limit for each covered member. Now, group Mediclaim policy. A group Mediclaim policy is designed for a group of employees working together. So, if you own a startup or a corporate house, you should buy such plans for your employees. It is a kind of benefit offered to the employees. As an employer, you can buy the cover to boost the rate of employee retention. Group health insurance plan comes with a low cost premium. Some insurance companies allow to refill the sum insured that to unlimited times if it is exhausted. A group health insurance plan covers you for hospitalization due to accident, illness, critical illness, psychiatric illness, and maternity. Buying a group health insurance policy not only offers coverage to your employees but also enhances the goodwill of your company. A very crucial point here is that the employees are covered only till the time they work with your company. Third is Jan Arogya Bima policy. This is the medical insurance policy offered by New India Insurance Co. Limited to those who are economically backward. The insured can receive an amount of rupees 5,000 and claim tax benefits of up to rupees 10,000 under Section 80D of Income Tax Act 1961. The Jan Arogya Bima policy offered by the New Indian Assurance Corporation Limited is aimed at providing medical insurance to economically backward section of the society. The Jan Arogya Bima policy is offered for a period of 1 year only, and the sum insured is rupees 5,000 per individual under this policy. Also, the benefits of cumulative bonus is not offered under this policy. Next is cancer policy. Cancer policy varies on eligibility or requirements and on the specifics of what is covered and how payments are made. Some pay a lump sum when you receive a cancer diagnosis, while others pay for specific treatment and care expenses, either directly to provider or to you. Two types of cancer policies are there. First is traditional policies and second is indemnity policy. Traditional policy comes in two flavors. An express incurred plan which pays out a percentage of treatment cost up to certain dollar ceiling. Second, indemnity policy which pays a specific fixed amount for each benefit spelled out in your policy. Information regarding cancer policies and cancer patients in India or rupees given to them is mentioned here. Now, Bhavishya Arogya policy. This policy provides for expenses in respect of hospitalization and domiciliary hospitalization during the period commencing from the policy retirement age selected till survival. This is selected by the insured for the purpose of commencement of benefits in the policy. Lifetime medical insurance covers of rupees 50,000. Risks shall commence on the day following the normal retirement date, that is 60 years. In the case of spouse, children, etc., risk commencement date can be any date between 55 years to 60 years of age as opted in the proposal form, borne by the bank out of the staff welfare fund. Now, overseas medical policy. As the name suggests, overseas Medi-Claim policy is a health insurance policy which covers you against the risk of hospitalization expenses in foreign country. This policy covers medical expenses while the insured is outside the India. It covers medical expenses both as inpatient as well as outpatient. Policy covers the medical expenses while the beneficiary is outside the Republic of India. It covers medical expenses both as inpatient as well as outpatient while in foreign country. The sum insured available ranges from Rs 50,000 to 5 lakh. Cashless settlement is provided through our overseas service provider at present, Mr. M.S. Corys International. This policy cannot be issued for less than 2 months. Any claims for dental treatment except as a result of injury, pregnancy, including miscarriage and childbirth. Last one is Videsh Yatra Mitra policy. Videsh Yatra Mitra policy offers enhanced medical cover along with the personal accident hospitalization benefits, delay and total lossage of baggage, loss of passport and personal liability covers. The proposer is traveling to another country and is above 60 years. The period of insurance commences on the first day of the departure and expires on the last day as specified in the schedule, or on actual departure from India, whichever is earlier. Extension of the period of insurance is automatic and without extra charge if necessitated by delayed beyond the control of the insured person. So these were all the policy of Medi-Claim. Thank you.